the rock may be difficult, more difficult than building on sand. But this country will develop, become more resilient and self-reliant by the choice we make to build on the rock, no matter how hard it is and how long it takes. Congratulations one more time. Thank you.
My name is Gladson Kachoga. I've graduated with Bachelor of Business Administration, and I'm very excited, to be one of the graduates, being the first graduates for MUBAS. To be honest, I'm very excited, I'm very happy, and I'm encouraging those who are coming behind, to come as well, so that they should be the second and, keep on graduating. For those who haven't yet made it to the university, I'm encouraging them to come to the university to study and attain higher degrees and higher qualifications. And this is just for the beginning for myself. I want to study further so that I should also attain, master's degree and even going further. So I'm very excited and I'm very happy.
Ndine memory jimu ndimaphunzira pano pa MUBAS kuchokera chaka cha 2022 mpaka 2023. Today I'm graduating with a bachelor's in procurement and logistic management, BPRM. Of course, the journey has been so tough. Indeed, I have gained more experience. It was up and down, but actually today I'm having tears of joy because I'm going out with a paper. I will perform in industry, and even the public, Malawi, will benefit from what I've learned here.